Our first team goes by the name of the Ballers! And ready to go. Got it. The Ringers have 1 point. No good for beyond the arc. Oh, call that. That's out. Ball is ball. Oh, yeah. That's out of bounds, baby. Get that out of here! No good there. Bingo! Oh, terrific pass there to set him up. From downtown, the Ballers have 3 points. Don't bring that weak stuff. Oh, can't connect from distance. Jump shot good. You know it. Gets the bucket. It's in. It counts! It's pretty! That puts the Ringers at 5 points. That's off the mark. Cookies! Drops it in. He's on fire! Can't get it to go. No good from distance. Off target. Back again. Go! The Ballers are up to 8 points. Basket good. Come on, man. Misses there. On target with the pretty J. Money. Thank you. That's good. The Ballers have 10 points on the board. That's the way to smash it down, baby. Ringer's ball, out of bounds. Gets it to go. Good with the chip. Oh, foul. What? That gives the Ballers 12 points. All day. Off target with that shot. Off target from outside. Over the line. Oh, you gotta call that. It's good! The Ballers are up to 13 points. Give me challenge! Too easy. Yes! Buckets! He can't be stopped! Off target from downtown. Ball slick, right? The bucket. Good. That puts Ringers at 18 points. Count it. That's the goaltending. Misses from deep. Out of bounds. Baller's ball. Can't connect. Score! That's right. 20 points for the Ringers, 1 point for the win. Denied. That's a foul. Can't get it. Sent away. Locked in from deep. The ball is at 20. All they need is one more. Get up, get down. Dive him up right there. Drains it. Money. Can't hit. Return the sender. You know it. He's heating up. Yes! Nada! Rack 'em up! Oh, stand back now! Stand back! Oh, a little late there. Now that's a goaltender. Oh man, that was obvious. Throws it down. Not that time.